What's up, guys? Alex out here under my bed, literally playing Gangstar Vegas under my bed. This is my first YouTube video and this gaming channel. So, yay! Today I'm gonna show you guys. Well, today I'm playing Gangstar Vegas. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to get a airplane on here. So first, you can just go to a car that's parked. I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to get these cars. And if you don't know how to, do it, then all you have to do is just go where you started. This is where everyone starts. Well, I think this is where everyone starts. This is where I always start. Then you just go right here, and then over there is where you get the free cars. Now go right here. So yeah, I think I just killed a bunch of people. Okay, well, anyways, so just go over here. Then, whoa. So do that turn. Then you can go right here. Whoa. Down here. Then there's all the airplanes. Oh crap! I have a police. When did I get a police? Well, no, I escaped them at least. So there's all the airplanes, and all you have to do is just. Oh crap! I like doing that for some reason. So then just go up here and push this whole thing up, all the way up, then go up. And then it's pretty cool. You can, I don't know how high up you can go. Oh, I'm being loud enough so you guys will hear me. But I think I will. Now I'm getting out of the Gangstar Vegas place. Bye, Gangstar. Well, bye, Vegas. I'm leaving town. I'm actually gonna try to leave this place. Let's see if I could. Oh crap! No! Whoa! Yo! What happened? That was weird. Okay, I'm going down. Okay, hopefully I don't crash down too hard. I don't want to crash on that. Yo! No! Oh! No! Oh, wait, what? Did I just go through that? Let's go. Yo! Why do I keep falling down here? Okay, let's just go. Wait, what? How do I keep going through? Well, yo, I'm not even doing anything. For some reason, it's riding by himself. And I'm about to crash. Yo! Whoa! Dang, I wish I crashed into that big building. Okay, well, that was how you can get a airplane on Gangstar Vegas. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment what other videos should I do, and yeah, bye.